Assalamu alaikum. Walaikum assalam. A very good morning to all of you.
Assalamualaikum, ma'am.
Walaikum assalam. How are you all? Walaikum assalam. Walaikum assalam, class. I'm good. What about you guys?
We are good.
Your smiling face is telling me you guys are so excited for today's class. I think so.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
That's great.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, before starting the class, just mark your attendance in the chat box.
Done, ma'am.
I can't see any name.
मैम मैंने सबसे पहले लगाई हुई है मैम मैंने सबसे पहले लगाई हुई है
Okay, let me check it again.
मैम I
Yes.
was the first who write it.
Yes, Muhammad Ali Hassan is the first one.
Ma'am,
I can see just his name.
it.
Muhammad Hisham. Okay, anyways, please mark your attendance in the chat box.
But just
Are you ready for today's class? Should I start it now?
I'm done with my attendance. Mom, I put mine.
Let's revise the Zoom step. The first one is mute yourself. In fact, mute your background sounds as well. I don't want to listen. And then second is be on time. The third one is turn on your video, turn on your camera. Come prepared. Sit still. Be respectful. Find a quiet place. Raise your hand if you want to say something. And the last one is no eating. I hope you all are done with your breakfast.
Yes, ma'am.
How we start our day? In the name of Allah Ta'ala. So everyone raise your hand for dua. Leave your books, pencils, just raise your hands.
Oh Allah, increase us in knowledge.
Ameen. Excellent, mashallah. The next one is what you need for today's lesson. Look at my screen. The first one is your maths workbook C3. Then one pencil and eraser. And you need some colors. Do you have all these things near to you?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay, let's start our lesson. What are you going to learn today? What are the objectives? Use the terms heavy and light to compare the mass of objects. We are going to revise the concept of heavy and light. Everyone open page number 35. 3535.
Done, ma'am.
Unit number 5, page number 35. What is the date today?
15/1/2021 HT Friday.
Okay, today is 15. 15.1.2021. Start writing your date. You can see on my screen.
Dot T
15.1.2021 space H.T again space and the day is
Friday.
Friday. What are the spellings of Friday? Excellent. Okay. Friday. Page number 35. Anaya, page number 35. 3535. Unit number 5, Maths Workbook C3. F should be capital in Friday. And where you are going to write? Top of the page, touch with the line, and write your date in a proper format. Anaya, did you get your page?
Done, ma'am.
Anaya.
Sunday and home task. Ma'am.
Okay, start writing your date. Those who have done with the date, come on the number line. Which numbers are missing in number line?
11 and 12.
How to write 11?
1, 1, 11.
Excellent.
1,
1,
2, 12.
yes. 1, 1, 11 and 1, 2, 12. Two numbers are missing here and rest of the numbers are written till 20. Complete your number line as well. You all are done with the number line?
Yes, ma'am.
Then come on activity 5.3 and this is about some more music.
More music.
Write the name of each instrument in the correct column. Can you see two columns on this page? The first one is about heavy and the second is about light. Down the page. The right one is light and the left one is heavy. You need to find out the heavy objects and write in the heavy column. Yes, Ishan? Okay, wait for me. I will ask you one by one. The first one, I'm going to start from flute. Put your pencil on flute. Where is that? Is it heavy or light? Light. So, which one is the light column? The right one or the left one?
Left.
Right one. Right side of the page. Write flute in the light column like me. All letters are small. F-L-U-T-E. Flute. Try to read the words while writing. Yes, Isma?
I'm done with the whole page.
You need to wait for us. Why are you going so fast?
I don't know. I'm done. Flute.
The next one is harp. H-R. Harp. Harp. Put your pencil on harp.
Heavy.
Is it heavy or light? Heavy. Write in the left column. H-R-P. Harp.
Next.
Yes.
इधर लिखना इधर इस वाली जगह में.
Left column of the page. Can you see there are two columns down the page?
Yes.
The left one is heavy and the right one is light. In fact, there are written the spellings of heavy and light. H-E-A-V-Y. Heavy. You can see on my screen.
Done, ma'am. Done, ma'am, with the heart.
Okay, Vanya, wait. Some kids are still writing.
Ma'am, we're done.
You all are done?
Done.
Who's still writing? Isma, don't write on my screen, please.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now come on the next one. That is piano. Piano is heavy or light?
Heavy. Heavy.
Heavy. Okay, write in the column of heavy. P-I-A, P-I-N-O, no, piano. Try to read the words as well.
P-I-O.
P-I-A.
P-I-A.
And oh no, piano. Harp and piano, they are heavy objects on this page. And flute is light.
Ma'am, piano.
And the last one is, which one is left?
Tambourine.
Tambourine. Excellent. Tambourine is light or heavy?
Light.
Light. So write in the right column of light. Write the spellings of tambourine, like me.
T-A-M E-A-M B No, ma'am. Tambourine. O-U-R. Done, ma'am.
You all are done?
No. Yes, ma'am. No.
Okay, don't shout. Those are still writing. I'm giving you 1 more minute.
Ma'am. Done, ma'am.
You all are done? Should we move on the next page?
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, those who have done, just go to next page. Page number 36.
Then with the next. Ma'am, done. These 2 cards.
Wow, Ali, wonderful. Who made it? Excellent job, Ali. Now go to next page, page number 36. Start writing same date, 15.1.2021, space H.T, again space, and the day is Friday.
Ma'am, done with the date and day. And
We are going to write top of the page. Touch with the line. Very good, Ali.
Done with the date and day and home task. All day. 13 and done date. Ma'am, me too, date and day.
Then come on a number line. Find out which numbers are missing here.
13 and 14.
13 and 14. How to write 13?
Ma'am, I'm not. 1, 3, 13.
1, 3, 13 and 1, 4, 14. Excellent. A big clap for yourself. Wonderful. Are these teen numbers or tie number?
Numbers.
Teen number. Very good.
Numbers.
Thank you, Saad and Vanya. Okay, now come on the activity 5.4, and this is about seesaw. Can you see any seesaw on this page?
Yes.
There are 3 seesaw on this page with musical instruments. They're asking color the lighter object in each set. We will do coloring later. Now, come on the second one, circle the heavier object in each set. First, we will circle the heavier object. You need to find out the first seesaw is, which instruments are there on first seesaw?
Piano.
Trumpet and? Shakers. Shakers and trumpet on the first seesaw. Yes. Trumpet is heavy. Why trumpet is heavy?
Because it's big.
It is big and the seesaw is down from the trumpet side. So, trumpet is heavy object. Circle the trumpet on first seesaw like me.
Yes.
Very good, Saad. Come on the second seesaw. There is drum and the second instrument is tambourine. Very good.
Drum and tambourine.
Tambourine is heavy or drum is heavy? Drum is heavy. So circle drum. And the last seesaw, there is again trumpet and drum. Which one is heavy now? Drum is heavy. In the last seesaw I'm asking about. Yes, circle the drum once again. Did you circle trumpet, drum and again drum?
Yes, ma'am.
How many pictures are left now? Shakers, tambourine and trumpet. You are going to color them.
Okay.
Those are the lighter objects. Shakers, tambourine and trumpet. You are going to color them.
Done, ma'am. With all.
Are you done with coloring too?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay, those who are still coloring, take your time.
Ma'am, which one we have to color it?
What are the lighter objects? Can you find them out?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Shaker and
On the first seesaw, there is a shaker that is light, then tambourine, and in the last seesaw, there is a trumpet. Which objects are up that are lighter?
Shaker, trampoline,
And trumpet.
trumpet.
I want your neat work.
Oh, ma'am. Okay. Ma'am, this one.
Excellent, Vanya.
Done. Ma'am, I need it.
Very good, Saad.
Done, ma'am.
Excellent.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, those who have done this page, go to next page, page number 37. Thank you, Saad.
Ma'am, done.
Page number 37. Those who have done page number 36, open page number 37 and start writing the same date. 15.1.2021 space H.T again space and the day is Friday. F should be capital. Make sure you are writing in a proper format.
Done, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Then go on a number line. Find out which numbers are missing here.
15 and 16.
15 and 16. How to write 15?
1 and 5.
1, 5, 15 and 1, 6, 16. Excellent. Are you done with the date and number line?
Yes.
Okay, come on, activity 5.5, and this is about heavier or lighter. Once again, you need to find out the heavy or light object from the given instruments. Circle the correct answer. They are saying circle the correct answer. The first one is, can you tell me the name of this instrument?
Piano.
It's not piano.
Harmonium. And drum.
Harmonium. That is harmonium. Okay, they're saying the harmonium is heavier or lighter than the flute. You have two options now, heavier or lighter. You have to circle the correct. Harmonium is lighter than the flute.
No.
Vanya, the harmonium. Vanya, I'm asking to you. Harmonium is, beta, we're doing page number 37. 3737.
Okay, ma'am.
You can see on my
Okay,
screen. The harmonium is heavier than the flute. The correct answer is heavier. 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 Circle this word like me. The harmonium is heavier than the flute.
Mama done.
While circling the words, please try to read the sentences. The harmonium is heavier than the flute. Come on, the second one. Do you know about this instrument?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
What is it? Accordion.
Friendly.
Accordion, excellent. Who said?
Friendly. Me.
Very good, Pai. Excellent, Ali.
Friendly.
Okay, very good. Now, the accordion is heavier or lighter than the triangle? Heavier. Once again, you are going to circle the word heavier. The accordion is heavier than the triangle. Circle the word heavier. Heavier. Heavier.
I'm done.
And the last one is yes, Pai? Excellent. Harmonica. The harmonica is heavier or lighter than the violin?
Heavier.
Who said heavier?
Lighter.
Harmonica is lighter than the violin. Circle the word lighter. 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 The harmonica is lighter than the violin. Yes? Okay, good. Okay, now I'm going to call the names of instruments. You have to put your pencil on that instrument, okay? Accordion. Repeat after me, okay? So you can know the name of those instruments. The first one is accordion. Then flute. Then violin. Then harmonium. The first one. Then harmonica. And the last one is triangle. You should know the names as well, okay? Try to read the sentences while doing this page. Yes. But we have to circle the words, not the pictures. Saad, can you see on my screen?
Yes.
I circle the words, not the pictures. Can you show me your page?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I read them all sentence.
Okay, good. Try to read them. You all are done with this page?
Yes, ma'am. Lighter than the fruit. Page.
Very good, 5. So this is all about today's lesson. Enjoy.
Yes, ma'am.
Then give me smile. Thank you, sir. Thank you for joining us.
You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome.
Before leaving the class, please mark your attendance. Write your name in the chat box.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Vanya?
If I will not join, so I can't read.
But you can't read.
Everything. I don't know about volcano.
Try to read the sounds. It will be more easy for you. Okay, Vanya?
Okay, if you will not teach me, so I can't read anything.
How is it possible? You can't read anything. Are you taking your English classes?
Yes, ma'am.
Then you should know how to read the words.
Ma'am, I know how to read words. I'm just saying.
Anyhow, it's time to leave the class. Take care of yourself. See you in the next week, inshallah. Have a blessed day. Allah Hafiz.